Hello students. Now our today's topic is ending the conversation. It is about spoken English. I have already talked about these type of sentences, but now today I will tell you how these sentences are framed so that you will be able to make more sentences. For example, I will talk to you later. This is future indefinite tense in which subject के साथ will और shall लगता है और हमेशा verb की first form लगती है. What's the rush? This is the simple sentence. In this what जो है वो noun की जगह इस्तेमाल हुआ है. I have to get off the phone now. Have to is used and with have to we have to use verb की first form. I am not ready to get off the phone with you. This is the simple sentence. There are other things I need to take care of. In this, two sentences are connected together. What is it that you need to do? This is indirect sentence. Please don't be nosy. I am not being nosy. It's just a question. These are simple sentences which are said together. You don't need to worry about that. This is present indefinite tense and in this subject के साथ verb की हमेशा first form लगती है. That was mean to say. This is past indefinite tense. I am sorry, I must go. This is the compound sentence, I guess. Or now this conversation has been framed by different type of sentences. You can try yourself and practice and speak.
Hello,
Thank you. This is the next topic of spoken English, and here I am going to discuss the sentences meant for leave taking. When you want to complete your conversation and want to take a leave. Well, it was nice talking to you. This is simple sentence with subject plus is RM. It was nice talking to you too. We should really hang out again. In this sentence, use of should is there, and with should always there is a verb form. Verb की first form है, subject है और should है. और यहाँ पे should का इस्तेमाल करना सिखाया गया है, जिसमें should के साथ हमेशा first की इस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगती है. That would be fun. Here is also use of would. I think we should go out to eat. That sounds good. It is present indefinite tense. In this subject का थर्ड पर्सन के साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म उसके साथ एस लगता है. ऑल राइट, सो आई विल सी यू देन. दिस इज फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट विद सब्जेक्ट विल एंड वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. आई विल कॉल यू लेटर. ओके, आई विल टॉक टू यू लेटर देन. सी यू लेटर. बाय. दैट्स ऑल. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. Today's my topic is for spoken English. Here is the conversation, simple conversation between two persons. I had fun talking to you. It is present perfect tense in which there is subject, had and verb की third form. It was really nice talking to you also. I think we should really do something. I think we should do something really. These are the simple narration combination of two sentences that should be lots of fun. What do you want to do next time? Would you like to go to dinner or something? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, until next time then. I will call you so we can set that up. Talk to you then. All right. See you. See you. Like and subscribe. Thank you.